Need for a society free of domestic
Chapter 1.
violence.
Alcohol.
Domestic violence is violence or other abuse in a domestic setting, such as in marriage or cohabitation. It takes a number of forms, including physical, verbal, emotional, etc. These can range from subtle, coercive forms to marital rape and to violent physical abuse such as choking, beating, and acid throwing that results in disfigurement or death. Domestic murders include stoning, bride burning, honor killings, and dowry deaths.
Chapter 2. Tea.
ये चाय बनाई है या जहर?
Gender norms that promote the inferiority of women may lead to the abuse of women by intimate partners. The WHO writes that dismantling hierarchical constructions of masculinity and femininity predicated on the control of women and eliminating the structural factors that support inequalities are likely to make a significant contribution to preventing intimate partners and sexual violence.
Chapter 3. Rock Bottom.
A key strategy in preventing domestic violence is the promotion of respectful, non-violent relationships through individual, community, and societal level change. Early intervention programs such as school-based programs to prevent dating violence are also effective. Children who grow up in violent homes may be led to believe that such behavior is a normal part of life. Therefore, it is important to challenge such attitudes when they are present among these children.
Chapter 4. Standing Up.
कब तक तुझे लगता है सहूंगा मैं ये जुल्म? उठ जाना है मैंने अब तो, इस दर्द के बीच में हो गई है मेरी हंसी में। उठ जाना है मैंने अब निडर हूँ, आत्मनिर्भर हूँ।
Chapter 5. Protecting Yourself.
Ways to protect yourself from domestic violence. Know the signs that your abuser is getting upset. Identify safe areas of your home, avoiding small spaces, rooms with weapons, and rooms without exits. Create several believable reasons to leave your home to avoid abuse. Make and memorize a list of emergency contacts. Build a support system including your family, friends, and
Seeking help is necessary to escape domestic violence. The following are ways to seek help: calling the police. If you are in immediate danger, call the police. Calling hotlines. Hotlines provide support and resources. They can also help you to create a safety plan for leaving an abuser. Talking to a healthcare professional. Doctors, nurses, and counselors can offer physical aid, emotional support, and resources. Contact a shelter or rape crisis centers. Shelters provide food, housing, and other types of help. You can find shelters and services by contacting a hotline or through state resources. Stay safe.
with domestic abuse can take a toll on you emotionally as well as physically. To help you cope, here are some things to remember. You are not to blame. You deserve to be treated with respect. You deserve to feel safe. You deserve to live a happy life. You are not alone. Your abuser will not change unless he takes full responsibility and seeks help. Do not let the fear of the unknown keep you in a danger.